What's up, beautiful people? It's your homegirl, Miss Shameless, all up in your building. Let's just get into this now, shall we? Hey, what's inside? Slave made. What do they mean by that? Okay. Mica is the glittery mineral found in makeup that gives products like eyeshadow, nail polish, lipstick, and concealer their sparkle. Okay. I'm wearing it, I believe. Let me see. Yep. Girl has a highlight on. So let us continue. Got a letter. I will read this. Slavery still exists today. Okay. There are 40 million people working around the world for little or no pay, controlled by threats, debt, and violence. It takes many forms but amounts to the same thing. Modern slavery. I see what's okay. This is very heavy. I feel like we know it exists, whether it's in, whatever this is, makeup or clothing. Now let's just deal with the reality of it. Wow. $150 billion, the amount of illegal profits made from slavery each year. Today, there are 40 million slaves in bondage, more than in all recorded human history. These are facts. Damn. And we act like it's over and we're living in the post-slavery world, but clearly it's over maybe even here. I don't even know if it's done here in the US, but this is clearly going on in other parts of the world. 1 in 4 victims of modern slavery worldwide is a child. That's so sad. You know what's really sad? It's sad that we live. I'm so grateful to live in this country. I'm very, very grateful. And so when I hear things like this, I'm just like, it reminds me why I'm so grateful, and we have to do something. 70% of mica production in India is from illegal mining. This isn't happening here, so it's almost like out of sight, out of mind. But now that this is in front of me, it's like, damn. Fewer than 10% of mica mine deaths are reported to police. Wait, so this is a lip gloss. Many people working in mica mines make less than $1 a day. Ooh. How does someone who's in these conditions get out? Maybe the part of the solution is we create makeup that actually does an impact and does good for people. Because I'm on the other end, feeling myself and my highlight, but how can everyone win without somebody having to lose? This is actual mica. Children must use their bare hands to extract the shiny mica flakes. I wonder if all shiny makeup is mica. Now I'm gonna have to figure it out. Part of me just wants to go away, but it's literally right here in my face. So, and they had the nerve to, you know what, that's pretty genius. They had the nerve to put this on a mirror and then show it to my face. It's in my face. Damn you. Okay, I need to look for some friendly glitter. Let's read this letter. Dear Maya, The makeup you are unboxing does not contain slave mined mica. Sadly, most mica today is mined illegally by tens of thousands of forced laborers, many of them children. These child slaves work in mines and Band-Aid decades earlier due to their deteriorating conditions. The children are forced to chip away at the mica with broken equipment and use their frail fingers to extract the glittery parts from within the mineral. Those fortunate enough to not be killed by collapsing mines are often killed later from the constant inhaling of poisonous chemicals. Slavery is thriving today. It's time to change that by rallying together. I agree. I completely agree. You know, it's crazy because I feel like there's so much happening in the world, and a lot of the times we either 1, feel powerless, 2, don't know what to do, or 3, look the other way. So let me finish reading. To be clear, we're not asking you to stop unboxing or your fans to stop watching. We're simply asking people to start asking the right questions and demanding accountability. What's the human price of the products you buy? Help end modern slavery at trust.org. Sincerely, Thomson Reuters Foundation. Okay, so, okay, I'm reading this with you, boos, and the first thing that's going through my mind is, what am I going to do about this? Because I feel like all of us are part of the problem. I'm gonna go to trust.org and check that out. I'm also I have to find alternatives to mica that are ethically sourced because a girl loves glitter. But I also do not want to be supporting this. And makeup brands, no shade, but I mean, I think we all need to take a look at our role in this. And if you run a company, I think it's important that we find out how that company is being run. Like, we're out here doing swatches and face beats, and then there's a child on the other end of this dying. Okay, so, whoa. How many of you knew about this? This is news to me. I didn't know about minerals. So we really do need to be mindful of how much we're consuming and what we're consuming, and just taking a moment to pause and be like, how does this affect other people? Because someone is being affected. Let me know what you guys know. Share your information in the info box below, as well as check out trust.org. I don't even feel... You know what? Do you, be you, stay true. Be shameless. Be smart. Be aware. Be conscious. Let's help. Be a part of the solution.